Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For the returning subscribers, karibuni tena sana. So guys, I know. Guys, I know I have been so silent, and as I promised, I've not been active as I promised, but guys, I'm going to come back very soon. Guys, I have a lot to tell you guys. And so guys, I decided to share with you this, as I'm doing the rondly. So guys, hope you're going to enjoy the video. So get to enjoy the video guys. Watu wengi watu wadau. Si niko na mambo mingi ya kuambia. But guys, I'm preparing on that. And I'll get to see you soon. I'll get to tell you soon. So hope enjoy as I do the rondly, and hope you're going to get motivated. I love you guys so much. Na sijawatupa sana. I'm going to come back very soon with good news. So guys, I started with my clothes because as you all know, adult clothes are not usually dirty. Unapitianga too. So those are my clothes that I'm washing. Then after washing my clothes, I'll go ahead and wash my son's clothes. But before I wash them, I'm going to rinse them. Because they are so dirty, I'll just rinse them with that water. So guys, hope you're enjoying the video, and for the new subscribers, karibuni sana, karibuni tena sana. For the returning subscribers, always thank you for always coming to check on us. Nawapenda tena sana sana sana. Thank you for that love guys. Continue watching guys, and hope you're enjoying the video. So guys, as you can see, hizo nguo zenye ziko hapo kwa bucket ni trousers za mtoi. So kwanza nitazirinse, nizitoe uchafu. Then after that, nitarudi nizioshe vizuri sasa. Cause ziko na uchafu, cause he's been praying outside, kujichafua, matope, and all stuff like that. Hata sijui, zingine amejisusuria. It's motherhood anyway. So guys, I'm going to rinse them, then I'm going to wash them vizuri sasa. So guys, here nakamua nguo zangu ndio nizirinse kwa downy. Yeah, then after that hiyo maji I'm going to add some omo, then I'm going to soak the trousers. Yeah, and I'm going to wash. Okay, I'm not going to soak the trousers first, but I'm going to wash the other clothes zenye ni a bit bright than the trousers. Yeah, so the trousers zitakuwa za mwisho. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying guys, and hope also you're learning something. Najua kila mtu anakuwa different. Yeah, so you might be washing your clothes this way and me I might be washing my clothes this way. So kila mtu anakuwa na idea zake, but maybe kupata ka idea kadogo kwangu kwa mwingine sio mbaya. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying. So guys, as I was washing, after nimesoak hizo, my son came. Yeah, and he started asking for, Mom, I want yogurt, Mom, I want this, Mom, I want this. Yeah, you know, all that disturbing that a child can make. Yeah, so guys, don't mind about my background. Tuko na yeye hapa as I'm recording. Yeah, so I went ahead and kwanza nikamshughulikia. After that, so I came to continue with my laundry. So here I'm washing those clothes. I'm washing those clothes that are brighter than the others, than the trousers. Sorry, then after that, I'll then nitamalizia na trousers.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you.
So guys, I'm done. I'm going ahead to wash the trousers, as you can see. Yeah, so and after that, after I wash them, I'll be done. Yeah, so guys, hope you're keeping in touch. Guys, as I have told you, I have so much to tell you, and it's coming soon. Yeah, so yeah, hope you'll be waiting to see what is coming soon. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing. Let me say it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Yeah, because I'm also vacating and things like that. Yeah, so but the whole story nitawaambia on my next video. Sema on my next video. Sema on my next video. So sema hivyo. Anyway guys, keep enjoying.
Heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Yeah, please just blow this flame away, and I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Fire,
So guys, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Yeah, hope you've got motivated. Yeah, so guys, na vile nimesema sijanyamaza kwa ubaya. It's only that I have a lot going in my life, like niko na hata sijui nianze wapi, but that's a story for another time. Yeah, so that's it. And guys, please hit that subscription button if you're watching and yet you've not subscribed. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.